Hi parents, today let's dive into the wonderful world of paper cup activities and discover why they are not just fun but also incredibly beneficial for your little ones. And the best part, they are not time consuming at all. So let's talk about the benefits of these activities now and for later. Paper cup games are super fun. You get to laugh, play, and have a blast with your friends. So, having a good sense of humor and knowing how to have fun with others is awesome. It helps you make friends and enjoy life even when things get a bit tricky. Did you know that when you stack those paper cups or try to knock them down, your brain is getting a workout? It's like a fun puzzle. Being good at games means your brain is super smart. You can figure things out and solve problems like superheroes. Running, tossing, and stacking cups keep you active. It's like a mini workout while having fun. Staying active is important. It helps your body stay strong and healthy, so keep moving and growing. Ever try to pick up a cup with a straw? It can be tricky, but you learn to be patient and keep trying. In life, some things takes time. Those cup games teach you to be patient and not give up even when it is a bit hard. When you play games with others, you are a team. You help each other and celebrate together. Teamwork is like magic. You can achieve big things when you work with others. Those cup games are like teamwork wizard in training. Making cool stuff and cups might seem small, but guess what? Big ideas often start with small creative moments. Being creative and thinking of new ideas is important. You can come up with amazing things just like when you turned a bunch of cups into something awesome. Playing cup games creates memories with your friends. You'll always remember the fun times. When you grow up, it's these little moments that make you smile. So keep making memories and enjoy every cup game adventure. Playing these games helps you get better at using your hands and eyes. It's like a secret practice for school. Using your hands and eyes well is super important in school, whether it's writing, drawing, or reading. Those cup games are like your own special training ground for school success. Winning is awesome, but so is being happy for your friends when they win. It's like having a happy heart. In life, you will win some and lose some. Being a good sport, happy for others, and trying your best is a skill that makes you a winner no matter what. Trying to balance those cups or aiming to throw a ball into them needs superhero focus. Having good focus is like having a superhero power. It helps you pay attention in class, do your homework well, and even enjoy your favorite activities more. If you enjoyed the fun filled adventure of cup games, don't forget to hit the like button to show some love. Share the joy with your friends, spread the laughter and excitement by sharing this video now. For more awesome content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for being a part of my journey. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions mean the world to me. Let's keep the fun rolling together. Thanks for watching.